Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start clipping on Whop. We'll go from the home feed to finding the right clipping category, reviewing options, and joining a group or service that fits your needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for clipping opportunities, compare different options, and choose the one that matches the type of content you want to create. Start on the Whop home feed. From here, look for Discover in the navigation. This is where you can explore different services, communities, and opportunities available inside Whop. Click Discover to open the page where you can browse communities and services. Think of this area as the search and discovery hub, where you can find people, groups, and offers related to your goals. Once you're on the Discover page, head to the search bar that says, I'm looking for. This search bar helps you quickly narrow down the results, instead of scrolling through unrelated listings. Click into that field and type the word clipping. Press Enter to run the search. Using a simple keyword like clipping helps Whop show results connected to video clipping, clip editing, short-form content, and related services. This pulls up results related to video clipping. These results may include agencies, communities, services, or groups that help creators, editors, and businesses work with short clips or repurposed content. Next, refine what you're seeing in the categories. Choose Video Clipping Agency to view professional services, or switch to Clipping Community if you're more interested in collaborative groups and discussion-focused spaces. An agency is usually better if you're looking for a service provider, while a community may be better if you want to learn, collaborate, ask questions, or connect with others. Pick the category that best matches what you want to do. If your goal is to hire someone or offer professional clipping work, the agency category may make more sense. If your goal is networking, learning, or finding people with similar interests, the community option may be a better fit. Then click into a result that looks promising to open its page. This lets you see the full details before making any decision. Before you join, take a moment to check reviews. Reviews are important because they can show you whether other users had a good experience with that provider, group, or service. Look at the overall rating, the number of reviews, and the most recent comments to see how active and reliable the provider or community is. A listing with recent reviews may be more useful than one that has not been active for a long time. Scan for notes on responsiveness, delivery speed, and the quality of edited clips. These details matter because clipping is often tied to deadlines, content schedules, and platform performance. If sample work or a description of what's included is available, use that to gauge whether it aligns with the platforms you create for, like short-form or long-form content. For example, if you're creating TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or podcast clips, make sure the style and format match your needs. It can help to compare a couple of listings side by side, so you understand the differences in pricing, tools used, and support. One option might be cheaper, while another may offer better editing quality, faster turnaround, captions, hooks, or platform-specific formatting. When you found the right fit, click Join on the listing page. This is the step that moves you from browsing to actually joining the group or starting with the selected clipping option. This moves you forward with the option you selected and gets you set up to start clipping on Whop. From there, you can follow any instructions provided by the group, agency, or service to begin the clipping process. That's the whole flow. From discover, to search, to category, to reviews, and finally, join. Once you understand this process, you can repeat it anytime you want to find new clipping services, communities, or opportunities on Whop. Pause and replay any part as needed, and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Take your time when reviewing listings, because choosing the right option can make your clipping workflow smoother, faster, and more professional.